Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new iPhone 3GS. As you can see, I just got it today, 3GS. I went to go pick it up this morning. It was hot as hell. Texas heat just kills you. Okay, so as you can see, I'm recording this video with the 3GS. Got the normal accessories in the box. You got your standard headphones. Now these headphones also have the new, as you can see right there, I think. Yeah, they have the new volume control. That's pretty sweet. Got the Ethernet to computer component cable and your standard wall charger. Now I know there's a lot of these videos on YouTube, but I just wanted to do my own because I'm so excited that I got my new phone. Got your SIMs card pluggy thing, as you can see right here. That's what it does. It takes your SIM card out of your iPhone. And your fingertip booklet. Standard booklet that nobody probably reads. And what would the iPhone be without iPhone stickers? Okay, YouTube, this is Crisis 51, just doing an unboxing of the new iPhone 3GS.